Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube. This is one of my very first makeup tutorials and today I'm going to be using the Violet Voss Holy Grail palette. Really excited to show you what this is going to look like, and I'm going to stop talking because you want to see the makeup. So I'm going to start off with this eyeshadow base. Just give me a nice base for my eyeshadow. And also just to define my eyebrows. It doesn't really matter how this goes on as long as it's all even. I will link all the products used below, so you can see what I've used, where I've got them from and how much they are. So here's the palette, and first of all we're going to go in with this one up here in translucent, just to create like a nice transition colour. Let's go. I am using the Real Techniques brush. This one is the base shadow brush. Okay, then I'm just going to go in with this one here, Are You Kidding Me? Okay, and then we're going to take the hashtag up here and just go back in again in the crease and above the crease. Just want to blend that out. Okay, so that's that done, and now we are going to go in with Wine and Dine just into the crease. And I'm just going to take a different brush for this. Just want to make sure you're tapping off the excess. Just nicely and light into the crease. Okay, and then I'm just going to blend this out. And now we're going to take this darker colour down here, Teddy Bear, and we're going to just put it in our outer corners. So, let's get a different brush. So just here. You only need literally the smallest bit and you can just build it up if you want some more. And then I'm just going to blend this in. And now I'm just going to do the half cut crease. You can use concealer for this. I am just using my eyeshadow base because I find that it doesn't go that great with my concealer. And I'm actually getting a new one. So if anybody watching this has a really good concealer that's great with cut crease, then please let me know. Okay, so go, and I'm just going to use Thanks a Latte and just dab it over with my finger. There we go. So there's that. Okay, so now I am going to take my blending brush and I'm going to go back into hashtag, so the top orange one in the corner. And I'm just going to go into this bit here. Blend it in with the darker colour. And again on the other side. And then I'm going to use this crystal up in the corner here. It is a very shimmery off-white colour, cream. I'm just going to use the same brush because it doesn't really matter what you use. I'm just going to dab that on there. You should really be using a flat shadow brush, but I just love the softness of these fluffy brushes. Absolutely love this look, it's so pretty. Okay, so there's the eyeshadow. I love it. And now it's optional, but you can just go back in at the ends with the teddy bear, the dark brown again, just to define the ends. Give it a bit more colour. So if you'd like to do that, you can do that. Now I am going to take the Wine and Dine, and I'm just going to run this under my eye here. It doesn't have to be a lot of product, to be honest. I wouldn't recommend putting a lot on it because it's quite a dark colour. Okay, and then I'm just going to go and do the same thing with the hashtag, so the orangey colour. And sorry, but I've got black mascara on me. So where we put this hashtag colour, we are going to put some gold glitter. And this is optional, you do not have to do it, but I am going to do it because I just, why not? Love glitter. Doesn't really matter what brush you use, but I am going to use this brush. I have got nothing on under it, I'm not going to use anything at all under it, so because I like the look of glitter like this rather than all like clogged, you know. So there is some glitter. just press it on. Yeah, if you're going out, I would suggest using a glitter fixer or duo glue. But I'm not going anywhere and I don't really want to have to take this off my eyes and hurt myself. There you go. If you just pat it in, it will stay anyway. So that's my lashes done. Love these eyes. Okay, so now I am going to do my face. I'm going to just put some setting spray onto my beauty blender. And I was going to use MAC, but I actually need to buy one of those pumps for it. So I'm just going to take my W7 HD. I love this foundation, it's literally amazing. And before I apply this, I'm going to just quickly pop some green concealer on my face, because I've had a few spots. I like to just put this down my nose because sometimes my foundation doesn't actually like to sit on my nose, it likes to come off, and this helps to keep it on for me, which I love. So, it doesn't look very glamorous right now, does it? Now I'm just going to quickly put some foundation on. Thank you so much for watching my YouTube video. Please like, comment, subscribe, follow me on Instagram and Twitter. If you have any videos you would like me to watch of yours, then please let me know in the comments below, and if you would like me to do any other looks, please let me know also. Thank you.